So it is a system of interlinked hypertext document accessed via the internet. With the web browser, one can view web pages that may contain text, images, videos, and other multimedia and navigate between them by using hyperlink. The facilities of WWW, it provides a graphical user interface. It supports multimedia facilities. It provides virtual spaces to the user. Volume of information is very high. So it is the collection of interlinked hypertext document accessed via the internet. Internet means we can document is connected to each other via hypertext. We can see the link on the internet, so that via that, by clicking on that link, we can move to the specific document. What we use the web browser like Mozilla, Chrome, Internet Explorer. These are the web browser. So with the help of web browser, we can see web pages that may contain text, images, videos, and other multimedia, and navigate. We can navigate between them by using hyperlinks. Hyperlinks was document words written under the underline. We using the underline. These are the facilities we have seen there. Now another concept is the electronic commerce, which is called e-commerce. E-commerce is a system of the buying and selling of a product or service over electronic systems such as the internet and other computer networks. We can sell or buy of the product, or we can sell or buy service on the internet. It is called the electronic commerce or e-commerce. Examples of the Amazon.com, Flipkart, eBay, all these are the examples of the e-commerce. Now, what are the benefits of e-commerce? It saves time. We don't have to go to the market. And in very short time, we can buy a product which we require. Low cost. It is low cost than the market. Vast market. We can lots of things on lots of products we can see on the internet. Competitions, due to competitions, we have the less money have to pay. Tangible benefits, strategic benefits, and operational benefits. All these things are there in the benefits of the e-commerce.